Amazing. Welcome to another Canva tutorial hack tip. This one's going to be a really awesome one, especially if you're wanting to just make your templates look a bit nicer, whether you're wanting to make a logo. I'm going to show you a hack that I found really cool when I found out about it. So I want you to go to Elements, and we're going to scroll all the way down to Frames. So I'm going to click on Frames to see all. And then I want you to type in here, letters. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of letters that you can actually use. So I'm just going to use my initials as an example. So I'm going to write in D, letter D, and I'm going to find one that I really like. So I'm going to use this one, D, and then I'm going to type in W into here. I'm going to find one that matches that I really like as well. So I'm thinking of using this one, DW. Yes, it's like that show, Arthur, DW. That's my initials. So as you can see, I'm just going to pop it into place here. I'm just going to kind of have them a little bit overlap, making sure it's in line there. So this is another hack too, actually. If you want to make two elements the same size, all you have to do is drag it like this, and you can see they're both together. You can group it as well so it becomes one, so they don't move out of place once you pop them in the way you want it, but you can actually decrease the size so it becomes smaller together, so you don't have one that's a different size to the other. So I'm going to go ahead into uploads, and this is where you may need to upload your own images from here. But I'm actually going to use this image here. I'm just going to click on it and drag it into the D. As you can see, that looks pretty cool there. And then I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to use this one over here. And I'm also going to drag that, drag that into there as well. And if you want to change where, like the sizing of the image in the letter, just have to ungroup it first. And just double click on the one that you need. We're going to increase the size of it here. So then it's a bit bigger, and then done. There you have it. That's how you can create a really cool, like you could create different words in a template. You could create it as like your own logo if you wanted it like this. You could also put different images that are already in Canva as well if you don't want your own photo. So if you go into Elements, and if you click on, I'm just going to use the gradient, for example. I'm going to click on this one that's already here. So gradient backgrounds is where you can find different things like this. Just head to either like the photos or the graphics, because they'll come up in both. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to drag it into there. And then I'm going to use another one, drag it into there. And then I'm obviously click on the back, head to background color. And then I'm just going to change the background of it. So I'm going to change it to like, I'm going to just scroll over here, change it to a really deep sort of purple. This isn't my own branding, but this is just an example. So there you have it. There's the beautiful logo. Hope this is helpful, and I hope you guys are enjoying these Canva tutorials.